Hi, the first assignment is about the budget constraint. So these are the numbers. We have a budget of 1,000, let's say euro, price 1, that's 10, price 2 is 5, and the first question is, please draw an x1, x2 diagram. So how do we do that? Well, first we need the budget constraint, which is P1 times x1 plus P2 times x2, and you insert the numbers. So 10 times x1 plus 5 times x2, and that's 1,000, right? So this is the budget constraint. We just inserted the numbers that are given. The next step is that we want to see x2 on the left side of the equation. That's our target. How we do that? Well, first, if you want to isolate x2, first we try to rearrange by subtracting 10 times x1, so that leads to 1,000 minus 10 x1 equals 5 x2. So we are pretty close to our target. So we still need dividing by 5, and then we end up with 1,000 divided by 5 minus 10 divided by 5, x1 is x2. Right? That's our equation. For the budget constraint, let's take that now and wipe out the green numbers and say, well, how does the budget constraint now look like? It's x1 on the horizontal axis, it's x2 on the vertical axis, right? Where we start with y over p2. Y over P2 is 1,000 over 5, so this is 200. Okay, so that's our starting point. When we set x1 to 0, we are here. x1 to 0, this disappears. 1,000 divided by 5 leads to 200. That's our starting point of the budget line, right? And so what is the slope? The slope is 10 divided by 5, so we end up here with a slope which is 10 divided by 5, and 10 divided by 5 is 2, and the slope is negative, it's minus 2, so that's minus 10 divided by 5. That's the slope, that's the relative price, and then we end up here with a negatively sloped budget line, which is pretty steep. So how could we find out 100? Well, another way to do that is that you just set x2 to 0, rearrange that, and then you will see that x1 is 100. That's it.